Hi, hello, Dr. Stock Viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, I'm going to detail speak about important patterns, so which is looking powerful. Okay, so I'm going to speak about the pattern, and I'm going to give you a live example on how to work on the same. So with entry, stop loss, all the things, I'm going to explain things briefly in coming slides. Okay. So let me slightly move on to the things which I am planning to let you know one by one. So as you guys would have seen the thumbnail, so we're going to speak today about inverted flagpole pattern. Okay, so what is inverted flagpole pattern? I'm going to explain about that things. So before that, I'm going to explain you with a pictorial representation on how it is going to work, and after that I'm going to show it in live. Okay, so it is more or less like a breakout pattern where this can be used as a breakout in the downside as well as the breakout on the upside. In both the direction it can be used. Let me show you all the things very clearly on how to take the confirmations on entries and how to take the stop loss. Okay, from where this pattern is getting disabled, from where this pattern is getting activated, all the things I'm going to explain you. Okay, so let's move on to the pictorial representation as of now. As we are going to speak about a pattern called flagpole pattern, right? Inverted flagpole pattern. So it is actually a bearish pattern, but this pattern can be used on trend reversals, like whether this pattern is going to continue in the downside or we are going to go up. All the things can be seen here very clearly. So let me show you that pattern now. Okay, it will be like this. This is the fall. Fine, and it will be going in this way. Okay, candles will be moving in this way. Okay, any break below, this will be your entry for short, and any break above, it is an ideal point where you have to be very careful. From here the market is changing. Okay, so how to catch this reversing, I'll let you know in another pattern. Okay, so right now you can concentrate on the one which I am showing right now. This is inverted flagpole pattern. This is the pole and this is the things which is happening as a format of the flag. Okay, so we are calling this as inverted flagpole pattern. This is one of the powerful one. Let me show how to take a trade here clearly, what is happening, on what is the time frames you have to use, all the things. Let me show you one by one detailing. So now I am into the 15 minutes time frame of Nifty. I am not doing anything else apart from the one which I shown you, like the FIBI retracement. Just give me some time. Let me draw the pattern and I will show you accordingly. Okay, so the same thing is shared in my Telegram on the live market. So if you want to get some live updates when the things are going in a reaction, like very big move is happening, you can stay with me in Telegram to know the live update. So since I was not able to do anything live on YouTube, so once this community is getting enabled after 1K subscribers, I will try to put some live in YouTube too. The community, I'll use that community and I'll try to put it. So as of now, let me draw the pattern for flagpole here. I have taken the same FIBI with 50 minutes time frame. I have not done anything else. The same thing which I used, right? 9:30 to 10:45. The same limit I'm using. Nothing else. I'm doing it here. So I've extended it. That's it. I mean, the extension is in place. That's it. Let me draw the flagpole pattern here. Inverted flagpole pattern. So now I've drawn the flagpole pattern. Okay, inverted flagpole pattern. So what is the thing here is whenever the market is going down or whenever the market is going up, what will happen is the market will not go in the same direction. It will try to make some advantage here. For example, the buyers have entered here, but they could not able to withstand. So this will be happening always. So how to find out that will be the important work of every trader who are in the market. So how to put that, how to calculate that is comes the point called pattern. So now we don't want to do anything. So if you find these things, right? So it is mainly playing with the help of support and resistance. So once there is an inverted flagpole pattern is there, right? So what I'm trying to say here is this is completely playing in the range of support and resistance only. Nothing else is there. So it's like a normal channel. You will be having a steep movement. That is the one which I'm planning to show you. So now what is happening is this is the flag and it is trying to form an ascending channel, but the ascending channel is getting failure here. So from this point again you have to initiate a short. Okay, that is what this particular thing is saying, and that is the flagpole pattern, inverted flagpole pattern I am trying to say here. Now, once this is done, right? So, what is the maximum target I can expect is you can expect from the top of this pole to the bottom of the pole. So, it is like 268 points. You can minus with this one to this one. It is 268 point movement. So, actually, there is so much points like we would have headed towards very close to double 250 levels today, but it didn't happen. The reason being Bank Nifty supported a lot because Nifty was trading well below previous day low, but Bank Nifty was not trading in the previous day low. So that could be the one of the point. And again, I'm saying one more important thing. We had multiple inverted flagpole pattern formed in Nifty. So we can see here again one more thing formed here. Okay, see here. It is again a flagpole, inverted flagpole pattern, and again we are expecting some from year to year as a downtrend. So we need to wait for tomorrow's market to open. So this try to make a note on the upper side, but still it didn't. And again we had one more flagpole pattern as well. From here again, here there is a flagpole pattern forming. So inverted flagpole pattern. So why I am planning to show here is you should not take any place immediately a buy until and unless this signal is continuing. There will be a pulse mode that market will be checking you. So actual stop loss here in this case is when a candle is closing above this place. You have to keep it as a stop loss. Samely here. Reason being, when you're in short, I'm saying, reason being, this is the place where the trend reversal is getting placed. And when you're in positions here, right, your stop loss would be actually this point. Still then there is a high possible of reversal only. It will come like anything. And again, from where the trend is getting changed, from this place the trend will get changed. So it is like it is breaking the ascending channel, and from ascending channel broke out, it will come up like anything. So how to capture this? This can be captured in a pattern called V-shape. That I'm going to explain you later. Hope you are clear with this inverted flagpole pattern. So your entry should be always in this place and your stop loss should be this place. The channel breakout on the opposite side would be your stop loss. Here it would be your entry. So always you can ideally look for 1/3 of this height as target 1 and 2/3 and again 3/3. So you can take it in that way, target 1, target 2, target 3. Hope this understanding would be clear for you guys. So similar things will be happening on the upside as well. That is called the flagpole. So once any day there is a rally happening, I'll try to come up with that video as well for you, my dear friends. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Catch you all shortly with yet another video. Bye bye. Take care.